I arrived here at exactly 8 o'clock. Right at 8 o'clock. Now, let's see what time it is. Got here at 8 o'clock. Been talking to her for about 5 minutes. It's 8:40. So,
start smoking.
all right, fellas. Starting off the day today with some yard cleanup. So, I gotta take all these tree limbs, get them up, get them out, get to it. Got it done, knocked out. See all of it on the back. You guys talk about shit, I started my own business. I really don't think it's a debate. Now, I arrived here at exactly 8 o'clock. Right at 8 o'clock. Now, let's see what time it is. Got here at 8 o'clock, been talking to her for about 5 minutes. It's 8:40. So, when you can make 200 bucks in a matter of 30 minutes, where can you do that at? And I didn't even charge her 200. I charged her 175 and she gave me a tip for 25 bucks. So, you guys debate, should I start my own business? It don't have to be lawn care, man. Where can you do that? You can't do it anywhere else but if you own your own stuff. See, with a job, say if you got to get some stuff. I used to work furniture. I used to do furniture delivery for a furniture company. So, some days when the truck come pull up, we got to unload the truck. We got my 4 trucks pull up, 5 trucks pull up. Out of 4 or 5 trucks pulling up, man, I might have to get freaking 180 sofas off this thing. And I'm only getting about 120 bucks for the day. Now I just got up here, got out myself, 30 minutes, $175. Where can you do it from? Well, actually 200 bucks, like I said, I got a tip. Where can you do it at? I mean, it's no debate, man. Guys, figure out what your skill set is, figure out what your talent is, figure out what you're good at, and then get great at it. See what you're good at, and then you get great at it. This was a dream for me to work on my own. I didn't know I was gonna be in lawn care. So I started off, and I lost a job, and for 2 weeks, for 2 years, I had to be a janitor. I had to clean toilets. But I said, man, I'm gonna figure out something that I can do, that I can make this janitor money times 4 almost. On my own time, with less hours, less bullshit, and can make it happen. So, start your own something, man. Do your research. Don't just jump off into it. Do your research. Talk to some veterans, seek some veteran advice, seek wise counsel, like it says in the Bible. And figure it out, man. Find a way to get yourself free. So get over here, man. Get all these trees and limbs off my truck, and holler at you guys at the fellas. Holler at you fellas in a second. All right, fellas, I had to go get a new speed feed for the RedMax. It's a brand new one right there. I had to put on there. Use it a couple times a day, not many. So this one right here kept coming apart on me. See if you can see. I don't think this had nothing to do with it, but you know, that's how you take these things off. You actually, what you do is you put your little Allen right there, hold it, just twist it, comes right off. Twist it right back on, locks on. So pretty simple. It ain't nothing too crazy. So hold on, let me show you something. So how the inside of the speed feed looks. So I don't know if it was something right here. I'm gonna still, that right there might be it. Once them go, it's pretty much over. So yeah, that one is. Yeah. He took the guy. I told the guy give me all the pieces. He took the spring. It's crazy. But anyway, man, I had to replace that today. Old speed head, speed feed. Got a new one on it. Show you what's on. Darwin grip on this too. This thing's like Call of Duty. You got all the attachments. It's your RedMax, baby. Speed feed. Darwin. Ready to go. Boneyard. I'll let you guys in the next one, man. If you ain't watched the videos yet, checking them out, hit subscribe. Hit the thumbs up, man. I really appreciate it, man. Leave your comments, man. How many speed feeds you guys done ran through? Let me know. I'll let you in the next one.
Start smoking.